Here's what we can tell you. We can tell you the home of Bryant and Harmony McKenzie has 2 new additions. We can show you their room. We can show you the superheroes and dinosaurs that decorate it. We can even show you this photo from Halloween, because their costumes have masks. We can't show you their faces. We can't tell you their names. Legally, neither can the McKenzies about their foster children, ages 7 and 8.
We can't post about them on Facebook.
I do wish everyone could just see them laugh and play. And
we can also tell you that the McKenzies and their 4 biological children are white. Their foster children are black.
Does it ever cross your minds that 2 of those 6 do not have the same skin color as the other 4?
There's an awareness, but then it's just, we're all a team.
Their mother passed away, and they were taken out of the home that night. And so literally they went from being at their home with their family to being in our home 6 hours later, I think.
The McKenzies' story is nuanced and complex. So is the data in America around child welfare. But the numbers reflect a simple truth. You're more likely to be adopted if you're white than if you're black.
This is not a local problem. This is a challenge that we know that we need to be able to address at the national level.
Minna Castillo-Cohen oversees child welfare in the state of Colorado. They found black children are overrepresented throughout the system, more and more so the deeper they get. In Colorado, black children were 3 times as likely to age out of foster care. That means neither returning to their biological home nor finding an adoptive home.
80% of child abuse and neglect is actually neglect, which most likely is a lack of resources for families, and that could be housing or childcare, food, clothing.
In 2018, Congress passed the Family First Prevention Services Act, geared toward helping families stay together safely and addressing the roots of racial disparity. But those roots are decades old.
There's stigma associated with child welfare. It's about myth busting. Again, when 80% of our families are involved in our system because of a lack of resources, really it's the ability for our systems to provide those resources.
In Colorado, they're working on solutions. In the home of the McKenzies, they're taking care of what's in front of them. That much we can tell you.
if I were a kid who found myself in foster care overnight, or if my own kids found themselves in that situation, what I would hope for myself, for my own biological kids, would be that there would be another family who was willing to give them a safe home and a loving home. And that's where our hearts are.
I'm Matt Pearl, reporting.